I hear this all the time, and honestly, it drives me a little bit crazy. People come to me and say, so do I have to file my tax return 4 times a year now? And I completely understand why they think that. But that is not what quarterly updates are at all. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I promise this will make total sense. So let me kill this myth straight away. A quarterly update is not a tax return. It is not a bill. It is not HMRC asking you to calculate what you owe 4 times a year. Here is all it actually is. A digital summary of your income and expenses for a 3-month period sent to HMRC through your compatible software. Think of it like a quick progress report. Here is what came in. Here is what went out. That is genuinely it. And here is something really important HMRC has confirmed. Each update you send is cumulative, meaning it replaces the previous one with your updated year-to-date figures. So if you made a mistake in quarter 1, quarter 2 corrects it automatically. No separate amendment needed. Now let me give you the dates clearly because this is where people get confused. Your first quarterly period runs from April 6th to July 5th, 2026, and your deadline to submit that update is August 7th, 2026. After that, it is 1 month after each period ends, 4 times a year, every year. Now here is something worth knowing if you are joining MTD in April 2026. HMRC has confirmed a soft landing for the first year, meaning you will not receive penalty points for late submission of your first 4 quarterly updates. But please do not use that as an excuse to be disorganized, because that soft landing does not apply to people joining from April 2027 onwards. So what are you actually sending to HMRC? No receipts, no invoices, no bank statements. Just a clean summary pulled from your digital records through your software. You review it, confirm it looks right, and hit submit. After each update, HMRC shows you an estimated tax position for the year. Not your bill, just a running guide so you are never blindsided in January. And after your 4th update, you complete what is called the final declaration. That is where you add any other income like dividends or pension, claim your reliefs, and finalize everything. The deadline for that is January 31st following the end of the tax year, same date you are already used to. So here is what I want you to take away from this. Quarterly updates are just a regular digital summary, 4 times a year, built on records you should already be keeping. The submission is never the hard part. Getting your records in order beforehand is. Subscribe to A1 Tax Filer because in the next video I am covering exactly which software you need for MTD, what to look for, and how to avoid picking the wrong one before your first deadline hits. And if your records are still not sorted, that is the thing to fix first. Everything else depends on it.